Hello everyone, welcome to ServiceNow Mastery Series channel. Today we are going to see how to customize a type of catalog items. So we have already customized, we have seen how to customize a standard catalog item, that is by going into the My Catalog item and then creating software hardware. We have already seen when we are covering service requested topic. So once again, I will show to you. We can go to the catalog items and into the my items. First, we have to create a catalog, and into the catalog, we have to create the categories. And into the categories, we have to create the catalog items. I hope you remember this thing, how to create the catalog item. Right? We have created so many catalog items. Next, I hope you remember this, how to create the standard catalog item. Next, we are going to see how to customize the record producer. So, for example, we have to make the request for the flight booking. We can't request in the incident or the catalog item because both of these are not suitable. So, for that, we need the task record, right? And by filling the task record, after submitted, then the incident will be created. To form the new record producer, what we have to do, we have to first go to the service catalog and into the service catalog. So what I will do, I will write a service catalog. And into the service catalog, we have to go to catalog definition. Under the catalog definition, we have to go to record producer. So for the standard catalog item, to customize it, you can go with the my catalog, then category, then my item. But for creating the record producer, you have to go to record producer. So you will click on my record producer, right? Oh, okay, you will click on record producer, but before creating the record producer, I will show you already existing record producers. I will just click on my record producers and I will run it to see these are the record producers, right? And now I will customize my record producer by myself. So I will click on record producer, I will click on new, then flight booking request. I will go further, name as a flight booking request. One second, I have written it. Yeah, and it's loaded. So the name would be flight booking request, and the table name, right? So table name would be if you are making it in the scope application, so you can choose a scope application table name, or if you are making it in the global application, so then choose a global application name. So what I'm doing, I am making it in the global application. So I will once again change the application scope to global, and then I will create it. So it's loading. Yes, so now as you can see, your current update sets has been changed to default or global. I am into the global application workspace, flight booking request and mention for the record producer, then the table name. I will choose whatever the table you want to make this recording, and afterwards for this record to follow that table workflows, you can able to choose it. So I wanted it for the incident table. So I choose an incident in the table name, and the short description is now you have to fill the short description. Owner will be the system administrator. State and checkout is a read-only mode and the application is global, and then make sure that the active checkbox is ticked. Then in the short description, you just mention flight booking request for business people. In the description, you can mention as of you want. Next is the meta keyword. Meta keyword is basically used to search only using the meta keyword, and the whole the result search will come in front of you. So meta keyword, I will use it. It's your choice if you want to enter the meta keyword, or else it's not mandatory. So I choose the meta keyword as a flight and save it, and then redirect to the script and there. So then what you have to do, you have to right click on the header and save it. Once you save it, then comes on the accessibility tab, right? You have saved it. So name, table name, what it will contain. After saving, it will show more tabs. So that is what it will contain: accessibility, generated record data, and the portal settings. So what it will contain is short description. Description now comes to the accessibility tab and choose a catalog. In which catalog you want to show this recorded user. So basically, I just want to show it in the service catalog, and the category you want to show this catalog. I will choose this. Can we help you? Or I can just click on the list. Okay, so it's containing technical catalog or the service catalog. I will choose the service catalog and into the category. Category is where can we help you into the service catalog, and then view and then can cancel also. If you want to cancel this, you can take this uh, take this checkbox. Next is this. Take this checkbox can cancel. If user want to cancel this recorder, then they can able to cancel this recorder after creating the recorder. So this is for the that purpose of canceling. Next is the go to the portal settings tab, hide attachment or mandatory attachment, hide favorite draft. So if you want the mandatory attachment is to attach one of the any file, so you can just click on the mandatory attachment or the hide attachment. I will click on the hide attachment, or you can choose none as well. Next is to save it. Generated record data, I will tell you the data in the generated record can come from either or both of the following sources: defining a template or creating a variable. We will look into in our upcoming videos for the generated record data. I will click on save. Now create the variable. It's the time to create the variable. Okay, so I will click on save. I clicked on save, and now it's the time to create the variables. By scrolling down, click on new. These are the variables, and I will click on new. So basically, the variables are now I am creating. The service catalog variable contains so many types such as break, duration, yes, no, email, HTML, label, multi-line text, checkbox, UI page, container, and container script. So what we have to do, we have to enter the variable name, that is the flight booking request. So this is the question, this is the name, annotation, type, specification, all these are available here. For example, I will show you how to make it a one or two variable name, and that is single line text I will choose for it. For the first variable, that is flight booking for Sudan, I will give the flight booking for and into the question or the conversational question also you can keep it as same flight booking for and into the conversation level you can for the like who want to book the flight, who want to book flight, and the type will be reference. So because it is the user table, the user name has to be different. So type will be what reference and yeah, flight booking for the catalog item appears and the order will be 100 because this is the first variable we are creating it. And we have to choose the user table type in the specification in the type specification because type reference we have chosen to reference. So we have to choose what table we have to reference for the this underscore user. Just scroll it down and says underscore user. And what we now can do is we can just click on submit. Next variable also you can create as a department. Then the third variable is a manager, email, whatever the form you want to create in the incident, you can just click on it. And after clicking on it, you can just see as well. We have submitted, right? We'll come back to our record producer. Next, primary application is the global package references and then we have nominated department. When I just enter the department in the question, automatically the name appears and into the conversation with it. I can put any sentence of my choice. Next is the when I choose the reference to the type specification will be CML underscore department table and the order we have to increase the order. So in the other first come first, so basically the 100 order is the we have to get the order or requested Friday. So it appears the on first, then this department will be the second. So I have to put number of the 200, then we click on submit it. And then like that, we can create many more variables which you can, which you will be showing in your record producer. After creating two variables, if I go to the service catalog to check that if our form is actively working or not, so I then came to the service catalog and we can view in the category. And when I just click can you help me, so all the categories are open. It is of the change password, client booking request, password reset, request a new home. You can see all these other categories. So I click on the client booking request for the business people. We have made it right. So client booking for it. And if I just choose the evil tutor and the department also, in the development in the department, and after click on the submit, so then when I just click on submit, so the incident is created and you can see on your screen the incident is created, number is created, then category, subcategory, and into the description as well. So the record is saved and after creating the record, the incident is created because we have chosen the table over the incident. So we can create the request in not only the service item but in any of the table. So that is the use of the record producer. In our next video, we will going to see how to map a record producer with the incident table and with the incident variables. So stay tuned with me. Uh, we are going to see in our next video the main topic and we will meet again. Till then, bye bye. Hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.